Welcome to this video, which is part of a series of 6 video lectures where I go in detail on the treatment of road runoff. All the information you can find in the 2 links I posted in the description field. So now I invite you to look at this video. Welcome to the first lecture, where I will give you a summary of the results from a 4-year period of fieldwork with runoff or stormwater treatment. All the material, all the results you will find in my dissertation, Treatment Conditions for the Removal of Contaminants from Road Runoff. First, let's have an overview of the treatment of road runoff. First, you need to look at the runoff quality. Then we have the possibility to only capture a part of the runoff volume. We also have the sedimentation properties we need to look at. Sediment and the sediment generation in the treatment of stormwater or road runoff. And also, finally, a special kind of filters, reactive filter, for removal of dissolved material. So this is an overview of what I will go through and explain and give you results for in this work I did in the field. The study sites I used was 3. First, I have the Eugenia treatment facility, which you see here on picture A. This is located north of Stockholm in Solna. Then we have the treatment facility Lilla Essingen, which you see here on B. Lilla Essingen is basically a stormwater pond, a classical type of treatment for runoff water. And finally, we have the Fredhälls-magasinet, the Fredhälls treatment plant located at the very densely trafficated Essingeleden in the center of Stockholm. In my dissertation you will find these papers, and when we go through the lectures I will of course go through them in detail and explain them, but you can also put a commentary in the commentary field, and I will send you a link so you can get the papers if you want to have a more closer look at the results. With this, I invite you to the next lecture 2, where we're going to look at the partial treatment of the runoff volume by looking at the event mean concentration of suspended solids. So, see you in lecture 2. Bye bye.